Hi, I'm Chad Wunderlich with Viking Pump, and we're very proud of our global footprint. Of course, this wouldn't be possible without our various locations around the world, like this one in Shannon, Ireland. Today, I'm here with our application engineer, Eoghan O'Shea. He's here to discuss how he and the team support our European customers. You're watching the Pump Report. We're at IDEX Pump Technologies Ireland, or IPTI, in Shannon, Ireland. From this Viking facility, we handle inventory, assembly, and support for our European industrial distributors. And this is Eoghan, our application engineer. Eoghan, thank you for hosting us.
Welcome to Ireland.
Thank
I'm excited to tell you more about IPTI.
Excellent. Do you mind telling us a little bit more about what you do at this business location?
Sure. IPTI has been supporting Viking's industrial customers in Europe and Africa from Ireland since 1985. We quickly meet customer needs by having in-house inventory for our highest volume products from the manufacturing center in Cedar Falls, Iowa. But we also handle the assembly of custom products that may be required to solve customer problems using our in-house inventory of Viking components. We also have a number of other roles here that make us an effective partner. We have shipping and logistics, assemblers, testing, customer service, accounting, HR, and operations management.
Can you tell us a little bit more about how a pump makes it through the facility and to the customer?
Certainly. First of all, our customers engage our customer service or applications team to determine how best to solve their application needs. Once we have identified a solution and an order is placed, the team gets to work. If it's a product we have in stock, we get it shipped out along with any other drive equipment like couplings or motors. If it's a more custom solution or something not on the shelf, our team of assemblers pull parts out of inventory, assemble the pump, test it, paint it, and finally ship it out the door.
And can you tell me a little bit about what you do at IPTI?
Sure. As an applications engineer, my main day-to-day work involves helping our customers identify the correct solutions, but I am also heavily involved with supporting our global teams developing new products and processes that suit the unique requirements of our customers here in Europe, and also providing manufacturing support to our assembly team on the floor.
Well, that's a lot on your plate for an application engineer, but I imagine things are a little bit different in Ireland than they are in the US.
Certainly are.
Excellent. Well, again, thank you, Eoghan, for hosting us.
Pleasure as always, Chad.
To learn more about Viking Pump's location in Shannon, Ireland, other locations around the world, or just to view other pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.